Amazon has released a new trailer and set November 9 as the premiere date for Season 2 of its hour-long comedy series Patriot starring Michael Dorman. After barely surviving his Midwestern corporate cover in Season 1, Intelligence Officer John Tabnor, Dorman, finds himself without his bag of €11 million and no closer to the goal of influencing Iran's presidential election. As a result, John's father, Terry O'Quinn, orders more extreme measures in Season 2, the assassination of the pro-nuclear candidate in a heavily guarded Paris compound. John is the linchpin of a high-stakes covert operation with profound global ramifications. And has bringing his mom, Deborah Winger, with him. Michael Chernus, Alietta Oppheim, Kurtwood Smith and Kathleen Monroe also star. Written, directed and executive produced by Steve Conrad. Wonder, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, The Pursuit of Happiness. Patriot also is executive produced by James Patriot, Grey's Anatomy, Glenn Ficarra, Crazy Stupid Love, This Is Us, John Requa, Crazy Stupid Love, This Is Us, Charles Gogo Locke, This Is Us, and Gil Bellows, Temple Grandin. Check out the trailer above.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.